Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the WeWard app on your phone in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap the search bar at the bottom right corner. Now type in the WeWard in the search bar at the top and press search on your keyboard. Just type WeWard. Look for the app with the same name, WeWard, Walk-in on Rewards. It usually has an orange and white logo. Here you can see, tap the get button next to it. If asked, use Face ID, Touch ID or enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Now just wait for the download to finish. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, tap open to launch the app. Just tap open. When the app opens, it will ask for the location access and permission to track steps. Tap allow so the app count your steps and reward you. Now you can sign up and start using reward. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.